Webroot Antivirus. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at Webroot and we're seeing whether or not it's worth it. So let's get into it. So if you don't know what Webroot is a cybersecurity software, and it's basically a antivirus plus identity plus VPN plus backup. It's basically all in one. And here they have individual products as well if you want them. So here you've got the antivirus one, you've got the privacy and performance one, and you've got the virus and identification one. And this one is the all-in-one one. So you can go ahead and purchase individual ones, or you can purchase the all-in-one. And the link to the website will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money online. So let's get into it. So here, let's go ahead and take a look at the all-in-one and see how it looks like. And this is how much it's going to cost you. So it's going to start at $89.99, and let's go ahead and see all the pricing. And these are the two options. So we got the total protection and the total protection family. This one is for everyone, and you can save 50% off. And right now you're saving $90 because it's $89.99, and then this is $149.99. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. And these are all the options that are going to come within them. And if you click on over here, see pricing plan, yeah, there you go. And of course, if you want to buy individual ones, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. You got PC optimizers, secure VPNs, essential, security with Chromebook, antivirus, web tool. And you also have some mobile apps and free trial option as well. So if you want to go ahead and check that out as well. Again, make sure to check the link in the description below for those free trials. And let's go ahead and take a look at the free trial and see whether or not we can actually sign up, because sometimes you got to go ahead and sign up and, you know, put in all of your credit card info and all of that. So let's see. So let's go ahead and click on start free antivirus trial, see how it looks like. And we got to fill out this form. And so I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. Catch you guys in a sec. And after that, you're basically going to find your product key code over here. Once you've downloaded it, run it, enter the key code, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So it's downloading as of right now, and it is now downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up in here. And now that it's downloaded, and we'll just paste our product code, and we'll click on agree and install, and it's activating. And once it's activated, it'll automatically install, and we can go ahead and get started with it. So it's as simple as that. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those coupons. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those promo codes. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.